Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I got another slapper for you guys. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so without further ado, let's get right into this crazy unboxing for you guys. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you guys are smashing that thumbs up button. Also, please hit the subscribe if you are new around here. And please don't forget to hit the bell for the post notifications so you do not miss another one of these videos. Alright guys, so from the box, obviously, you're gonna know what this is. This is the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined, alright? So, we got the all suede joints. Box comes in this all matte black finish. And then you also are going to get this royal blue in a gloss texture right there. Usually Jordan brand with all the Jordan 1s have been doing this type of styling for the Jordan 1 box. It's kind of just a play off the original box, which is the black and red. Label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is black, royal blue, and white. Size 11.5, my true to size for all Air Jordan 1s. Alrighty guys, popping off that top, you are going to get greeted with a whole bunch of paper in the box. So both the left and right shoe is going to come wrapped up just like this. So you're going to have them individually wrapped, which is just a lot of paper in my opinion. I mean, I get why they did it. They did it because of the suede, which is a nice premium suede. I don't think they wanted anything to mess up the suede. That's why they were individually wrapped. So I applaud them for that. It's just a ton of paper in the box. So guys, without further ado, let us talk about the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. All right, so the original Royal, I'm gonna throw up a screen right on the screen right now, is an all leather pair. Okay, this is a quick spin off of the original, which is an all over suede joint. Now, when we're talking about the Reimagined series, okay, this is the fourth, I repeat, fourth shoe in the lineup. So the very first Air Jordan Reimagined that is part of this entire series was the Air Jordan 1 Bread. Now, it was the patent leather bread. I have made videos on that in the past. I do not still have my pair currently. I did sell that because though I love the bread colorway, just the patent leather threw me off, and honestly, it was not a style or a shoe that I ever saw myself wearing, because that patent leather is going to crease like crazy. But yes, the Air Jordan 1 patent leather bread was the very first part of this Reimagined series. Now, getting over to the second shoe part of the Reimagined series, we got them right here, my very favorite shoe in my collection. I'm telling you, this is my favorite shoe. Maybe of all time, alright? So this is the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Reimagined. I made plenty of videos on this. Not going to get into depth, but this was the second in the Reimagined series. Now the third joint that's part of the Air Jordan Reimagined series is these right here. I've already made an unboxing and review over on the channel of this as well, but this is the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined with that Nike Air OG on the back, baby. This was number 3. And getting right into number 4, Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. Let's get into it. So like I said previously, this is an all-over suede joint, okay? You're going to get this premium suede. At least it feels premium. Really does feel like a really good quality and really good materials that they did put on this Jordan, okay? So you're going to get the all-over suede paneling. The toe boxes, that is a little hairier suede. You're also going to get the micro suede over on the midfoot. All the black paneling. Even the heel tab right here. All like a micro suede. Nice material, feels really good to the touch. And let me show you up some close and detailed shots of that paneling right here. So you are going to get it, like I said, that suede all over this upper. You know, you're going to get the nice hairy suede right here. Now, it feels good to the touch. However, I do not know how this thing is going to wear over time with it being a suede, all over suede shoe. I don't know how the creasing is going to be. You know, it's just... it's going to be one of those where we're going to really have to test these things, and over time, as the more you wear it, really honestly just figure out how it's going to, you know, hold up over time, because, you know, when you have a leather, sometimes the leather wears nicely. Like these, for instance, if you wear these things, this thing is going to wear so beautifully because it has the cracked leather as it is, right? So the more you wear it, the more character it's going to build, and honestly, sometimes the better it's going to look. But when it comes to this and an all-over suede shoe in general, sometimes the toe box can get pretty wonky, and the shape of the shoe does not hold up over time. So like I said, we are going to have to wait and find out, the more people wear these things, how they're going to hold up and stand the test of time. Now, personally, I really do like the colorway, okay? So I love the Jordan 1 Royal colorway. Now, this is a much more vibrant blue than in years past compared to the original and also the 2017 pair Royal. It's definitely a different shade of Royal. It's a much more bright and vibrant than that 2017 pair, which I'll throw an image on the screen right now. And then also you're going to get this white midsole. They did not go with a sail midsole this time. It is a nice bright white midsole, which I actually like. I do like that they went with the white midsole here as opposed to a cream. I don't think that the cream with the suede blue and all that stuff would actually, I think it would have clashed in color, personally. Going over to the tongue, you're also going to get the nice nylon standard Air Jordan tongue, right? You are going to get a second set of laces in this, but I'm not going to unwrap the other one, to be honest. It's just the royal blue, so you're going to get the royal blue laces in the box. And it obviously comes pre-laced with the black right here. And then going into the insole, you're going to get the Nike Air in that royal blue. Let me flip it around for you. Honestly, overall, guys, this is a really simple, clean Air Jordan 1. Really, honestly, not much to it. You know, hitting the outsole real quick, and you get the nice royal blue outsole. Like I said, I mean, as far as a Jordan 1 goes, it is really nice, okay? Now, I have heard people talking over on the Twitter sphere and other YouTube videos that have done full reviews on this, that the shape of them is a little bit off, and for them, for some reason, it reminds them of a mid. Now, I do have the Chicago Reimagined right here, and as you can tell, same height. I mean, it is literally the exact same height. So I'm not entirely sure what people are talking about when it comes to the shape being off, because personally I think it looks, you know, exactly how all of these Air Jordan 1s have looked since they went to this newer style or this newer shape in 2023. Now, these things, guys, they did kind of flop. Now, for an original colorway, Jordan usually will make a ton of pairs, right? So there was 400,000 pairs that released over on sneakers this morning alone. 400,000 pairs! Now, I picked these things up from Champs because I did hit on the flex out for an in-store pickup. I also did get the pre-order access for Finish Line, so I will have that pair coming in later in the week. But overall, if you wanted these things, you definitely should have been able to cop. It was not a hard cop at all. They actually sat on Nike.com in full family sizing. So for an original colorway, we really don't see that often. I mean, these things were pretty hyped up when they were originally speculated and then the mock-ups came out. However, people did not keep that same energy at all on release day today. So please, guys, let me know down below if you picked these guys up right here. If you were able to cop, obviously, like I said, you should have been if you wanted them. But did you want them? Did you go for them? Was it a double up? Was it a pass? Was it a flop? Or was it a cop? Leave all that good stuff down in the comments section below. If you did enjoy this video, like I said previously, please make sure that you guys smash that like button. It really does help the channel grow. And we just surpassed 800 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We are cruising to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You just chilled with Dill. Me and the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. We're out. Peace.